Garrick, do you read me?
All clear, Captain. You okay back there?
Go on, I'll catch up. One of these bastards left their PlayStation on. Left on a game called Call of Duty.
I've heard of that one, sir. But we really need you right now.
Maybe I could gather intel.
Gather intel from a game, Captain. Sorry, I'm confused.
There could be precious information on it.
Sir, we really need you right now. They're about to launch a new...
I'm sure I can wait. I'm squatting up.
Who wants to get deeply angled by Johnny Sins?
What? What are you on about, you prick?
Bro, is that Captain Price right there?
Oi, nice to meet you, bro.
Go, get him, get him. Oh!
Beautiful work. Enemy f***ing KIA.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
Tossing Semtex!
Yeah, man.
I'm going in, Captain Price! Oh, he's over there!
What?
Captain, it's a usurper, it's a fake Captain Price!
Possible. Terminated the motherfucker.
We killed the usurper! Look at him, look at this fake Captain Price over here.
That was Captain Priceless.
Captain, I got a recon drone.
Alright, put her in the air. Friendly recon drone in the air. Friendly recon drone destroyed.
Captain, destroyed him. Oh, I got him, Captain!
Check your bloody fire. I'm on your team, you bastard.
Why is he so good at that, dude?
No, don't kill him. That's Simon. Don't kill him. It's gross. Stop it.
Don't get it. It's Ghost. No, he didn't. He said that to me. It's Ghost. What the? Oh my god, this dude's killing me. Alright, hey, I'm not shitting you. 6 of my deaths are from that same sniper because I'm laughing my ass off not paying attention.
Hey, quick question, Captain Price.
What's on your mind, mate?
How many stogies do you smoke a day?
About 16.
That's pretty healthy, isn't it?
In war, there's no time for health. Only fire.
Did not know there was another one.
Good work, lads. Let's do it again.
What the what? Wait, what, bro? I'm confused. Who's saying that?
Me, Captain Price. Can you hear me?
Bro, do you hear him?
I've got your 6, mate. Plant the bomb.
Oh, whoa! Hey, yo, is that Captain Price?
Affirmative.
Wait, oh.
Dropped one.
Yo, that's sick. Dude, be my friend, please. Sick. Is that Captain Price?
Who else would I be? Farah?
Oh my god, Captain Price.
Pleasure to meet you lot. Now let's get in there and fuck 'em up.
Oh, dude, that's sick. Holy, bro.
Tight.
Dude, please be my friend. I need people like you in my life, bro. That's amazing.
In war, there's no room for friends. Only enemies. Ah, they've got me!
Oh, he's even cool when he's mad. Are you the actual voice of Captain Price?
Look, mate, I don't know who you are. I don't know how you know my name. But I'm on a mission, and I saw this PlayStation laying about.
Oh, okay.
Bloody good shot, perfect. That was great.
Oh, thank you.
Whoa, is that your voice? Holy shit.
Enemy KIA.
Damn.
This nigga sound like James Bond.
James Bond wishes he could sound like me.
Hey, do the zombies, max ammo.
Max ammo.
What the fuck?
Say instant kill or something.
Instant kill. Why? What is this?
What the fuck?
Let's do this.
Okay, Captain Price, you got it.
Fuck me, they got me out.
I actually can't take it.
What was that?
Yeah,
fucking
Davy
Captain Price on
Jones
our
in here?
team. Nice.
Give me your best shot, you prick. Where are you? Sit the fuck down. KI bloody A.
Oh my god, bro, you sound like my dad, bro. Oh my god. Dad, is that you?
Listen to me, you muppet. I'm not your father. In war, there's no time for sex. In fact, I'm on a mission right now.
What is your mission?
To take down Roman Barkov. But I found this PlayStation in the meantime.
Oh yes, so you just hopped on the PS4? Just like to play a little bit?
Affirmative.
Oh yes. I love you so much. I love you so much.